I am Pradeep. So I am a software working professional, and she is my wife Ahladita, and we have our daughter Viradya.
Hi. So, my husband found about Simplify Home Interiors in Instagram, and then he suggested me to watch the few of the videos of Simplify Home. నేను వీడియోస్ ఒక 4-5 వీడియోస్ చూసి ఓకే బాగా చేశారు, ఒకసారి వీళ్ళని అప్రోచ్ అవుదాము అని లేటర్ వి డిసైడెడ్ టు go to Banjara Hills where the head office is there. We spoke with Tejashwi ma'am as well, and once she assured us that they will deliver us on time, we thought of going with Simplify Home Interiors.
So initially they have walked through all the experience centers, and experience center we liked all the material they have used there.
ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ టీమ్ వాళ్ళే ఏదైనా చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నా వాళ్ళే సజెస్ట్ చేసి వాళ్ళే మొత్తం చేంజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఏదైనా మెజర్మెంట్లో. సో ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ వల్లనే మేము ఇంకొక ప్రాజెక్ట్ కూడా తీసుకున్నాము. వీ బోత్ వర్కింగ్, సో వీ కుడెంట్ గో అండ్ చెక్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. That's why we opted for the second home as well.
So they used to give daily updates on WhatsApp. So how it's going on, and ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్ అయిందంటే సింప్లిఫై టీమ్ ఓన్లీ రీప్లేస్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. So if any measurement is wrong in the wardrobes as such, so they have replaced everything, and the execution is really well during that phase. Overall, we are satisfied with the designs and output, everything. Everyone said the interiors is good,
with
minimalistic
designs and all.
Minimalistic yet premium look. So we do refer Simplify to other clients as well. The cost wise it is too premium compared to other clients, but we need to check the
quality,
final output as well, right? So they, even though the cost is high, but the output is very good.